Welcome to Samajaya Nature Reserve. Samajaya Nature Reserve is a place for you to escape. What's there waiting for you is a journey to take you away from reality. Samajaya Nature Reserve is situated in Tabuan Jaya and known to be one of the oldest protected areas in Sarawak. This nature reserve covers approximately 38 hectares and it is the first multi-purpose urban forest park. This park is designed to provide an authentic urban wilderness with all its facilities and activities integrated with nature, suitable for individuals and families. This place is a hotspot for people to jog and cycle. As you walk along the trail, you will encounter interesting flora and fauna. So, what are you waiting for? Samajaya Nature Reserve is an escape for you to get closer to nature and a healthier lifestyle.